everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified for all my new videos. And for the world's best subscribers, hi guys, happy Friday. Told you I'd be back on Friday. I told you I'd have a video on Friday. So excited about this video, and it's all about this chair. It is all about this chair. Okay, I'm gonna give you a very short background about this chair, and I'll tell you why I love this chair and what it means to me and why I wanted to use it in my home decor and why I want to use it in my house and what plans I have for it going forward. Okay, first of all, this chair behind me here has been in my family for years and years and years. When it's been in my family for at least 45 to 50 years now. Yeah, I would say that much. And when my dad acquired it from the lady that gave it to him, the chair had already been about 80 to 100 years old at that time. So this is a very old chair, and I love it. Now, I have one of the fondest memories about this chair. When I was young and we had this in our home, it used to be like a velvet. It was upholstered in a crushed velvet, and it would always sit in our living room. And my biggest memory was that I would sit on this chair beside our Christmas tree, and I would dangle my feet over it and just watch, just stare at the Christmas tree. And I don't know, this chair to me is kind of important, and I wanted it in my home decor. And I was lucky enough that my dad said, okay, fine, you can have it, it's yours now. So now it's mine. That's it, it's officially mine now. So I want to keep this chair for as long as I can, and I am gonna reupholster it. But what I want to reupholster, okay, first of all, I want to be in my forever home before I reupholster it, so that it not matches, but that it fits in with my decor. And I don't know what my forever home looks like yet. I haven't even bought my forever home yet. I will eventually. You guys know that. If you follow me along, you know that we're in the process of getting to that point where that is it. It's gonna be my forever home shortly after, God willing, after this. Okay, I'm rambling now. Anyways, so I want to upholster it. I want to upholster the front of the chair, one color fabric, and I want to upholster the back of the chair in a different color fabric when I get to it. But in the meantime, your girl went on YouTube like everybody else, and I chalk painted this chair. That is right, I chalk painted the chair. I know, crazy, right? Okay, so I used the Rustoleum aged gray. I don't know if you can see it there, if it's glaring or what. In the ultra matte paint. I got it at Lowe's, or did I get this at Home Depot? I think I got it at Lowe's. Yes, I think I got it at Lowe's. And I just used a regular paintbrush, and I watered it down a little bit. I also watered the fabric. You'll see, I have it in the video. You'll see the process. Okay. And I'm gonna link everything I used down below. So if you're interested and you have a chair or a piece of upholstered furniture that you like and can't really afford or do not want to at the moment reupholster it, and it's sentimental to you, you could do this. It's a very inexpensive way to update something. And then you're gonna need this MINIWAX finishing wax, and it's a paste wax, and it's very easy. You just apply it with J-cloth or a cloth or whatever after. And it was very easy, and it was very economical, and I think it turned out really cute. So I'll show you let's get to the clips now where I've I'm gonna show you the process. Okay, here's the before of this chair. I love the shape. I love what this chair represents. It is completely patinaed and beat up, and I just love the detail in it. And this, by the way, guys, weighs so much. This chair is so heavy. This is the front of it. I just love the shape of it. And growing up, we used to have this chair, and it was, oh God, I think it was either a mustard yellow velvet or an orange velvet, like burnt orange. And then they reupholstered it in this hideous color. And it's like a suede texture. You see it there? It's like a suede texture. And it's orange. I mean, it's not even orange. It's like peachy orange. It's horrible. But it's really nice. And I'll give you a side view of it. There you go. There you see it from the side. It's really nice, right? And here's the back. You can see the back. And I just love the wood and the patina of the wood. That's really what I love about this chair so much. And don't look at my crazy living room. So, I'm kind of nervous to do this. Wish me luck. Let's see how it turns out. And there you go. Okay, so I did one coat. You can see it there. And you can see that the color of the fabric is kind of bleeding through. I'm just doing the cushion now, but I wanted to give you an up close look of what the cushion is. It's that old. Do you guys remember those microfiber upholstery that we had? Like this fabric's probably from like the 90s, early 90s, when they reupholstered it. Anyways, so I'm just working on it now. I'm gonna finish the first coat, but it is covering. And I wanted to show you this part. So this is what I was most afraid of, that it would be stiff. Maybe the lighting's better here. That it would be stiff, and it's really not. Like it still feels like fabric, so I'm okay with it. But I think once the wax, like I'm gonna probably do two more coats. I think I'm gonna do 3 coats, but you can see the detail of the antique wood. And I don't know what this wood would be called. We've always tried to figure that out, but you could see here like the wear and tear on it, and here. But I really like it, and I did try to wash it. See here, I washed it, and now this won't come off, but here it's starting to come off. Whatever, I guess it's just old buildup. But then my dad was saying that maybe I shouldn't wash it too much, and just kind of leave it alone. And I got paint on the floor already. But I've mentioned that the chair is really old. Anyways, so I'm going to continue working on this. I just wanted to give you a quick view. Okay, guys, this is the very last step. And as you can see right here and right here, this is just the chalk paint. And this is where I started putting the wax. And already it has such a nice, soft feel. So I'm going to wax this entire chair and then I'm done. Okay, guys, this is the last I did all the steps, and I just wanted to show you the chair in its entirety all done. You can see the front and the sides. Let me go to the back here. And keep in mind that I have done this in clips. I know you can see all my moving boxes in the background. There's the back. You can see all my moving boxes. I did this in stages. When I would come home from work, I would do a little bit at a time, And then I finally finished this video for you guys today. So that's why you'll see different nail polishes and different decor in the background. But there's the chair in its entirety. That is the end of my video. It is all done. I love this chair and I'm so happy I did this. So this is a good alternative if you have a piece like this or anything like this in your home. This is an inexpensive way to transform something. Tiny little bit of paint. I'm gonna link everything I did down below, and I will probably write in the description box the step-by-step process, because I think that I missed a clip where I did, after I did each coat of paint, you take the finest soft grit sandpaper and you just lightly sand it, and the wax has dried. I know that I showed a clip of the wax drying, or me putting on the wax, I'm sorry. And it really does feel like just regular fabric. I mean, it's pretty good. I'm pretty impressed. So I'm just gonna sit back, relax in my chair, and hopefully I can make some more memories in this chair, because I love my childhood memory in this chair. Anyways, that is the end of my video. Please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and share. I love your comments. Have an amazing weekend to my awesome subscribers and to anybody else that is new to my channel. Have a fantastic weekend. And I promise I will see you all very soon. I don't know what video I have planned next, but I will try and see you all very soon. I love you guys. Bye guys. Have a great weekend. Bye guys.